You know how most of the training websites asks you to fill the long form and then you have to wait for someone to call you back. But all you wanted was to buy the certification and start learning right away. We have heard that a lot from our clients. So we have built a direct purchase option at Knowlathon. Watch the complete video to know how. Of course, if you do want to talk to someone before enrolling, our team is just one call or email away. But if you are ready to roll, then let me show you how quick that is. So let's head to knowlathon.com. So I'm searching on Google. Here you get the website. Yes. So here, either you can check all the courses in our most popular courses section, or in all courses also you can see almost 80 plus courses are mentioned, courses and certifications are mentioned here under the different categories, like it is ITSM or project management or agile, DevOps, whatever it is, you can check it out. And so let's go with the ITIL 4 foundation. So here in ITIL 4 foundation, we are accredited training organization partner of PeopleCert. So here you get all the details. In schedule and prices, you can check the prices, our packages. Below that we have target audience. Target audience means who is it for, who can opt for ITIL 4 certification that you can get. Then the prerequisites, what are the prerequisites, what you should know before applying or enrolling for the ITIL 4 foundation certification. Then the exam information, like how many minutes are there, how many questions are there, all the details you'll get here. And then if you have any more questions or something, there are a lot of questions mentioned, you will get most of the questions answered here. Otherwise, here you can access the chat and ask the inquiry to our chatbot. Then these are related courses also, you can check that out too. But other than that, here it is a schedule, which batch you want to enroll for. So there are flexible batches as per your comfort zone. You can opt for any batch. And if you have a training, if you want to train your team, then you can just directly talk to our expert. So that option is also there on our website. So here there are 3 packages. But before that, if you want to know more about what is the certification about, what are the curriculum, so you can click on download syllabus and you have to fill a short form to get ahead and check the details. So you'll get a document of all the course details, curriculum and other certification details as exam and everything. So here is a course package. So in this certification you get virtual classroom training, practice questions on LMS. We have guaranteed to run batches. Then we have experienced instructors which are also accredited ones. Then you might find exam simulations, post-training support is always there. So let's explore the packages. So for ITIL 4 foundation, we have 3 packages. For some of the certifications, we have these 3 type of packages, others are normal ones. So let's see. In Express, we have free expert-led video lesson. Here we don't give you virtual training. So this Express certification, you can say this is an exam voucher. And then for Prime, you have the online training, live training you will get. Then LMS accesses for 12 months, which is 6 months in the Express package. And in Super, we have lifetime LMS access, then we have Take 2, then instructor-led virtual training, and 1 year K-Prime warranty too. Also, you get 3 free courses on LMS in the Super package. So let's explore what's in the Super package. So once that, here you come to the cart or checkout page. Here, if you are already logged into Knowlathon, you can log in here with your email ID, whichever email ID you have prior contacted us or enrolled with us on our website. You can enroll that and you can put that and log in via OTP. If not, you can directly go to review and select add-on or directly purchase the course, whichever for which we are here for. So let's review it. ITIL 4 foundation certification we have chosen. In that Super package we are choosing. Now price we have checked. Then what is included? PeopleCert exam voucher. So what is it about? The official voucher to take your exam or to schedule your exam. Then official ebook you will get, official training material you will get, video recorded session you will get. Then Take 2 is also included in that. Then K Prime warranty, LMS courses, everything is there. So if you want to opt for hard copy of official ebook, then you can select here. If you don't want, you can deselect. You are gonna get digital ebook for sure. So here you get the opportunity again to select the batch. So ITIL for foundation is for 8 hours, so I'm selecting this batch because it is comfortable for me. So I'm continuing. Or there is another option too, you can decide later. So you can just buy the course and you can decide later which batch you want to attend, but you are enrolling, so you'll get the LMS access from the day one. Then so order summary, just verify. So subtotal, then we have GST applied here, and order total you will get here. Now you have to put the full details. So put the email ID correctly. So on this email ID only you will get all the details, and about the confirmation, about LMS and everything you will get on this email. So put the right email, select your country, select your state, and put your address. So if you have any referral code, you have any friend in Knowlathon or any of other your colleagues or anyone referred you, you can put your referral code, which is clearly optional. You can proceed to pay. So it will take you to the checkout page till the time it loads. If still you have any doubts, you can contact us. These are the contact details and email ID too, and on chat also you can connect directly. So again, pay for order, whichever option you want to choose, then you can choose and pay with it. So the payments all are safe and secure, so you can pay with Razorpay. Here you have to put the number if you are trying for the first time. Okay, so I'm doing with the UPI. I'm just gonna scan it and pay it. Okay, just give me a second. It's very easy. You can opt for credit card, debit card, or any kind of card, net banking, wallet, or pay later. Whichever option you are comfortable with, you can go with it. So I'm proceeding the payment. Okay, so the payment is done. Let's verify. It's already there, confirming payment. So payment is successful. Now we'll get back to our home page saying that your transaction is successful. You are successfully enrolled to our certification. So you got your order ID. So you can take the screenshot of this page and keep this with you. So in future you need anything, you can just check out what is your order ID. Also, when you are once your order is confirmed, you get the email from receipts@knowlathon.com. So here you will get the details, payment successful. Also when initiated also you get all the details and everything. So first, payment successful information you get with all your order details, payment information, everything. So everything is there. If it is not there in the inbox, then do check out the spam folder or promotional folders, because this folders likes hiding good things. And if you still prefer a little guidance, that's totally fine. You can call us on the number you can see on the screen, or drop us a quick message or chat with us, and one of our advisors will contact you and guide you to choose a program or a certification which is right for your career. Either way, you are never on your own. We are your learning partner and a growth partner, just a flexible kind. So that's how simple it is to enroll for certification with Knowlathon. Visit knowlathon.com, pick a certification, enroll, make a payment, and you are in. Because we believe learning should not wait, neither the growth. So see you inside the LMS in the next video. That's where the real magic happens.